Do you like it? Today, our living room is going to get a mini upgrade with this Waves rug. In this video, I'm going to give you a close-up look of this rug and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This has a nice non-slip backing, so it won't go sliding all over your floor even if you put it on tile. And the top of this is really soft, but it doesn't look like it's shedding at all. So I like rugs that don't shed. It is quite large. It is washable. However, I would not be able to fit this in my washing machine, so I would have to take it to the laundromat. They're going to be there from shipping, but in a couple of hours, those creases will relax. This rug does not have any odor, so if you have ever experienced that, you're not going to experience it with this. At least the one that I got has no odor. I really like the pattern of this. It almost looks like mountains and waves. Calvin looks so relaxed and handsome on it. Calvin, what do you think of the rug? Calvin pops. Calvin, our orange old kitty's color pops.